We are going to discuss some of the basic concepts in mental health nursing. So first we'll see what is mental health. So it is a state of balance between the individual and the surrounding world, a state of harmony between oneself and others, coexistence between the realities of the self and that of other people. So keep in mind, so mental health means it is a balance between the individual, that is between oneself and between others, between oneself and between the environment. Okay. So there is a beautiful definition given by Carl Menninger. So it will be helpful for you, for all psychiatric nursing students. That is, Carl Menninger defines mental health as an adjustment of human beings to the world, to each other, with a maximum effectiveness and happiness. Okay. So the concept is same, keeping balance between oneself and within others. According to American Psychiatric Association, mental health is a simultaneous success at working, loving and creating with the capacity of mature and flexible resolution of conflicts between instincts, conscience, important other people and reality. Then what are the components of mental health? What are the factors that contribute to mental health? So, if a person is mentally healthy means he will be having the ability to accept self, that is ability to accept oneself. Next, the capacity to feel right towards others, that is to accept others. The person will be able to accept oneself and will feel right towards others, that means accept others, and the ability to fulfill life's task. So he will be able to achieve the goal whatever he has to do in a society, in an environment where he lives. So the ability to accept oneself means the mentally healthy individual feels comfortable about himself, he feels reasonably secure and adequately accept his shortcomings. So in other words, he has self-respect. That is the ability to accept self means. So the capacity to feel right towards others means who enjoy good mental health is able to sincerely interested in others' welfare, sincerely interested in other activity. That is, he will be maintaining a balance between himself and at the same time will be having a maintenance of balance between the environment. So he is able to feel a part of the group. Okay, and he will be taking the responsibility for his neighbors and fellow members. That is the capacity to feel right towards others. Next is the ability to fulfill lifestyle. That is, a mentally healthy person is able to think for himself and he will be able to set reasonable goals and take his decision, and he shoulders his daily responsibilities and is not bowled over by his own emotions of fear, anger, love or guilt. So he will be able to achieve his life goals. We'll see what are the indicators of mental health. So these are very important. So the first indicator is a positive attitude towards self. Next, growth, development and ability for self-actualization, integration, autonomy, perception of reality and environmental mastery. So we'll see in detail. So a positive attitude towards self. Developing a positive attitude towards self means this includes an objective view of self, including knowledge and acceptance of strength and limitation, and the individual feel a strong sense of personal identity and security within the environment. So here, if I am mentally healthy person means I will be accepting myself. I will be accepting what are my plus points, what are my weak points. Okay, so and the person will feel a sense of personal identity. Who am I? And a security within the society. Next is growth, development and the ability for self-actualization. This indicator correlates with whether the individual successfully achieved the task associated with each level of development. So you might have learned about growth and development in each stages. Okay, so and at the same time you might have learned about Maslow's hierarchy of model. So the ability for self-actualization and the growth, development and the ability for self-actualization will make the individual to achieve the task associated with each level of development. Next is integration. So integration includes the ability to adaptively respond to the environment of which help the individual to maintain anxiety at a manageable level in response to stressful situations. So it is the ability to adapt or to respond to the environment. Next is autonomy. So autonomy means it is the individual's ability to perform an independent, self-directed manner. So to make choices and accept the responsibilities for others or for oneself. So that is autonomy, to perform an independent task. Next, perception of reality. So this includes the perception of the environment without distortion, as well as the capacity for empathy and social sensitivity and respect and concern for the wants and needs of others. So the meaning is same here. We are accepting ourselves and we are accepting the other people in the society, and feeling the capacity for empathy and social sensitivity and respect and concern for others. Environmental mastery means individual has achieved a satisfactory role within the group, society or environment. So he is able to love and accept the love of others. So he is able to love and at the same time he is able to accept the love of others.